Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos, so if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So today is Saturday and I'm filming another studio vlog. In this vlog I will share with you some of the new Patreon rewards that I've been working on. I also need to do a pet portrait, which is a gift for a close friend, and I will probably be doing that tomorrow. The weather outside is really lovely and we're thinking of going to my parents' house and yeah, just chilling in the sun and spending time with animals, and yeah, we're gonna order pizza and stuff like that. So I'm really happy that I got to package all the Patreon rewards for this month. So I will show you what Patreons received this month. First off, I made this sticker sheet, which is an underwater sticker sheet with koi fish and a lotus flower and stuff like that. It is also available in my shop if you are interested in purchasing one. The next thing that patrons will receive is this set of 4 postcards. They are also the mini illustrations for this month for my highest tier patrons. I will show you all the illustrations. So the theme for this month was coffee and tea pots, and I made 4 individual coffee pots and tea pots. So this set will be going to patrons as well. And I also made this postcard which has the colors of the Ukrainian flag. It has a dove on it. It's a peace postcard. I made it a few days after the news about the war broke out in Ukraine, and I just wanted to do something related to that, to show my support for Ukrainians and also to make my patrons aware of what is happening in the world. So this also goes free in any order in my shop for the same reasons. So these are the Patreon rewards for this month. As I said, I will probably be doing a pet portrait tomorrow, and I will be showing you how I printed these out and how I package everything. And that's pretty much it for this studio vlog. It's a pretty chill one weekend kind of vlog. I just wanted to say thank you to my patrons for their support, and a huge thank you to anybody who has ordered in my shop last week. I had a small shop update. I was planning to do a larger shop update, but unfortunately the washi tape still hasn't arrived. So I split the shop update in 2, and a new one will be happening as soon as the washi tape arrives, because I do have other products waiting to be launched. So that's pretty exciting. I think it's better to split my shop updates into smaller shop updates. I guess it works better in some sort of way. But yeah, I really wanted to thank you guys for the support, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and keep watching to see everything that I mentioned before. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye!